Welcome to Culinary Coverage. Today, we are visiting one of the reasons why we all love the Cove. The first of 5 establishments started by Paul Weckman and Emily Wolfe. Named after Emily's father, Otto's gives you culture, character, and flavor for lunch, brunch, or dinner. Their cocktails are reminiscent of all the Derby classics. Try the fried green tomatoes, or the Brussels sprouts covered with bacon, brown sugar, and garlic like I did. The short rib, grilled cheese, and tomato soup is the perfect match on any day, especially a cold one like when I was there. If you're looking for a 5-star dinner that will leave you with memories, perhaps you pair their filet with one of the many fine wines they have to choose from. Or grab the braised short rib and raise your old-fashioned with one of the top-shelf bourbons. No matter what you get, it will leave your taste buds so happy. Like and share this video for your chance to win a $50 gift card to Otto's, Frida 602, Standard, or Mama's, and join us on our next culinary coverage adventure.